Welcome to another video. Good morning, good afternoon, evening, depending on the time you are watching this video at. Okay, this is your tutor of mathematics and science, Mr. Karima. So today we have a very interesting topic which is calculus. And here on the board we have two questions. If it's your first time, please just subscribe, share, and also like for the more videos. Alright, let's dive in. So we have two questions here, and this is calculus. These questions, every time, every paper have this kind of question. Okay? And this is calculus. Remember, calculus have many parts. We have differentiation, integration, and also integral by parts. So this one is integration. Integration is just an opposite of differentiation. When we are differentiating, to the power we subtract 1. But this one, we had 1 to the power. Okay? What I mean is, like the way it is here, we have 2, power 2. So to this 2, we had 1, and also we divide by the new power. Okay? So let's start by question A. Question says evaluate the integral, the limits from -3 up to 2. Okay? -3 up to 2, open brackets 4 minus 3x squared, close brackets dx. Once you see this, meaning you are respecting to x. Okay? So the limits are from -3 up to 2. Okay? When you see a constant number, remember that you are respecting to x. So to the constant number, we had the same x. So you write 4x power 0. Why am I writing x power 0? Because anything to the power 0, it's 1. And when you multiply that 1 times 4, it is still 4. Because there's no change. Yeah. Because 0, anything, whether it's 1 million power 0, it's 1. So even x power 0 is still 1. So 1 times 4 is 4. Alright, I'm sure you're following. Sure. Even to this one, you write 3x 2 power 1. Okay? No, let's not add that one first. We wanted to know what to write here. Alright, you write like this. Okay? Again, you write 2, the limit from -3 up to 2. So we have now 4. Okay? We have now 4x power. We have 1 to this 0 here. It will be x now. You don't write power 1 because it's 1 the same. We know that if there is no power here, there is 1. Even to the coefficient, if there is no number, just know that there is 1. We should write x here. Just know that to this x there is a coefficient 1, and even the power is 1. So we don't write that 1. Okay? Okay. So you write again, you have 3x. 3x you have 2. So it's 2 plus 1 over the new power. Okay? Even here we can write 1, but it's still 1 into 4x, it's still 4x. Okay? But it's better we write. Okay? So we have this equation here. Okay? So after that, you divide this. So we have 4x minus, so this will be 3 and this one will be 3. So it will be 3x cubed over 3. Okay? The limits from -3 up to 2. Okay? So 3 into 3, even here we have 1. If you want, you can write so that you are not confusing yourself. Okay? So we have 4x minus x cubed. The limits from -3 up to 2. Okay? Again, since we have two limits here from -3 up to 2, This is the upper limit, this is the lower limit. You are starting with the lower limit. You say x is equal to 2. Okay? For the upper limit, you say x is equal to 2. So when there is x, there is x you replace it 2. So we have here 4. When there is x, you put 2 minus 2 to the power 3 minus the lower limit. Okay? Again, you say x is equal to negative 3. When there is x, you put negative 3. Using the same equation there, expression. Okay? So we have 4 negative 3 minus 3 negative 3 power negative 3 there. Okay? I mean, yes. That is supposed to not be there. So it's negative 3 cubed. Okay? So once you have that, very simple, there's nothing difficult here. Okay, so we have that. So this is it. 4 times 2, that is 8. Minus this 2 power 3, that is it. Also 8. Okay? Minus minus we have minus that negative 4 times 3, that is it. Minus 4 times negative 3, that is it. Negative 12. Negative 12. Okay? And again, negative, open bracket, this 3 minus 3 or negative 3 power 3, that is negative 27. Okay? Negative 27. Write negative 27. Okay? So this is it. What? This is what? Okay. So we have 8, which is 0, right? Yes. This is 0. This is 0 minus this plus this. Okay. Let's follow this correctly. So we have this is negative 12. Okay? Negative 12 is here. Again, we have this power, negative power 3. That is negative 27. And we have this negative e, which is it. Make this to be positive. So, negative 12 plus 27. Negative 12 plus 27, that is 27 minus 12. That is 15. That is it, positive 15. So 0 minus positive 15. So this is negative 15. So this is the answer we were looking for. Okay? This means you have to evaluate this calculus E. Okay? Let's try question B. Let's find question B now. Okay? Question B. Same procedure. Question B. Even B saying if I want the limit from negative 1 to 2, then you have 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 dx. Very simple. Again, we have a constant number here. Remember, we're respecting to x, meaning you write limit from negative 1 to up to 2, 3x. So this time, since we have done the first one, so this one I will just go direct. Squared minus 2x plus x dx. Okay? Alright. So the limits are from negative 1 up to 2. We have, so we write 3x. You add 1 to the power and divide by the new power. So this will be 3 over 3. Minus, you have 1 here. Okay? So 1 plus 1, that is 2x squared over the new power. Plus, again we have, okay, this is 0. So this is x power 1. To that power, which is 0, we had 1. getting x again. Okay. Thank you. Remember we have powers now, which is from -1 up to 2. Okay? So the limits of from -1 up to 2. And you have this. So this into this. So this will be x cubed minus x squared plus x. Okay? Remember the limits from 1 up to 2. Right. Again, since we have the upper limit and the lower limit, you are going to say x is equal to 2, which is the upper limit there. Where there is x, we put it 2 minus the lower limit, which is -1. Where there is x again, we put it -1. So we are saying where there is x, we put 2 minus 2. This is cubed squared plus 2 minus, okay, minus the lower limit, which is -4. Again, we say x is equal to -1. So where there is x, we put it. Remember there is minus here. I can write this, the lower limit part here, which is -1 power 3 minus -1 power 2 plus -1. Okay, so this is 8. 8, this is 4, -4, and this is 2 plus 2 minus, this is minus, we have -1 here, -1, this is +1. No, we have a negative with a power, so this will be positive and this will be minus. Again, we have this minus here. Okay, so this is 6. Okay, this plus this, -2 minus this, that is 6. So we have 6 here minus this -1 minus 1 minus 1, that is -3. -3. Okay, so this is negative times negative is positive, that is 9. So the answer we are looking for is 9. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, to share, and also to like. Bye.